What if I told you that the reason she's not chasing you is because you're re-chasing her too much? Well, that might sound harsh, right? But it's the truth most men don't want to hear. And when you put a woman on a pedestal, when you idolize her, when she becomes the center of your universe, she stops seeing you, as the man she should chase. She sees you as just another guy biting around her, trying to win her. And that energy, that imbalance kills attraction. And the secret is simple but powerful. Don't idolize her. Don't make her the center of your world. Instead, focus on yourself. Live with confidence and let her feel that she needs to earn you. That's how you make a woman chase you. Welcome back to Matka Tips. I'm Anastasia, and today we're going to talk about the real way to flip the script. So, instead of you running after her, she starts running after you. But before we go deeper, just a reminder in my Patreon, I share exclusive content about Eastern European women, cultural differences, and what really matters if you want to date them online or connect more seriously. I also give one-on-one advice. So, if you need help with your profile, maybe texting, first calls, or just want personalized, I'm there to chat and support you. And the link is in the description. Now, let's be clear. Women don't want just any man. And they want the man who shows her, he has value. The man who has options. The man who is not desperate for approval. If you treat her like she's above you, she will treat you like you're below her. But when you meet her as an equal, when you hold your ground and show that your world doesn't revolve around her, that's when she feels stable. Because deep down, women are not attracted to men who give up their identity. They are attracted to men who have their own identity and invite her into it. So let's talk about how this works in real life. Imagine you meet a woman and you really like her. She's beautiful. She makes you laugh and suddenly your mind starts spinning. You'll think about her all day. You text her constantly. You cancel plans with your friends just in case she wants to see how. You start adjusting everything in your life around her. You don't even realize you're doing it, but she feels it. She feels that you're investing way more energy into her than she's into you. And once she feels that imbalance, the chase is gone. She doesn't have to do anything to keep you, because she knows she's already has you. Now, imagine the opposite. You meet her, you like her, but you don't drop your whole life. You keep your routine. You keep seeing, I don't know, your friends. You'll keep focusing on your goals. You don't text her every minute. You let her commit you sometimes, and when you're with her, you're present, you're warm. But when you're not sitting around, waiting for her messages or calls. You have things going on. You have your own world, and that's when she feels something different. She feels that she doesn't fully have you, and she needs to invest more to win your attention. And that's when the chase begins. This is not about, playing games. I'm not saying that. It's not about ignoring her to make her insecure. It's about balance. If you give 100% and she gives 20%, the dynamic is wrong. But if you give 50% and she gives 50% as well, now there is tension. There is balance and attraction grows. Women are wired to, want a man who has value and who doesn't throw it away just because she's pretty. Let's talk about idolization for a moment. When you idolize a woman, you're basically saying, you're above me. You're better than me. I'm lucky to even be near you. Do you see how unattractive that sounds? A woman doesn't want to be your goddess. She wants to be your partner. If she feels like you see her as untouchable, she will either get bored or start taking advantage of it. But if you treat her like a human being, who she is, someone who's interesting, someone you like, but not someone who defines your entire existence, then she has room to respect you. And respect is the foundation of attraction. So how to avoid idolizing her? Well, first by remembering that she's not perfect. She has flaws. She has insecurities. She has bad habits as well. Don't blind yourself, though, to them just because they are excited. When you put her on a pedestal, you ignore reality. But when you see her clearly, when you appreciate her, but also recognize that she's just a person like you, then you keep your power. Second, by keeping your life full. If you make her entire source of your happiness, she will feel it, and that's pressure. Nobody wants to feel like they are responsible for somebody else's happiness. Women are more attracted when they see that you already have a full life, friends, hobbies, goals, passions, and she's just adding to it. When she sees that, she thinks if I want to be part of his life, I need to show up. I need to bring something to Dot, and that's how she chases. Next, by setting boundaries. Confidence is not just about how you talk. It's about how you act when your limits are tested. If she cancels plans last minute, and you say you act like it's fine every time, you're teaching her that you don't value your time. But if you calmly say, oh, listen, I respect your schedule, but my time is important too. So you show her that you respect yours. And when a woman respects himself, a woman respects him more. And when a man respects himself, a woman respects him more. Because boundaries are not about being controlling. They are about showing that you are a man with standards. And standards make you attractive. Believe me. Now, let's talk about confidence. Because if you want a woman to chase you, confidence is the fuel. Confidence doesn't mean being arrogant or pretending you're better than her. It means being comfortable in your own skin. It means not overthinking every word you say. It means you can sit in silence without panicking. It means you don't need her validation every second because you already validate yourself. Confidence is also risk, guys. A confident man is not afraid to lose her. That doesn't mean you don't care. It means you know you will be fine either way. And women can feel that when she sees that you're not desperate to keep her, that you're choosing her, but you're not dependent on her. She feels drawn to you. Believe me, that's the kind of energy that makes her chase because she wants to. Win a man who doesn't need her, but still wants her. And let me give you an example. Imagine two men texting some woman. The first guy is constantly checking his phone, maybe replying, instantly sending, I don't know, long paragraphs, apologizing if she doesn't answer. His energy screams, please don't lose interest in me. And second guy replies when he can. His messages are short but warm. He doesn't beg for her time, and he doesn't panic if she doesn't reply for a few hours. His energy says, I like you, but I'm not desperate. Which man do you think she'll chase? In my experience, it's always the second. Not because he's, playing games, but because he's showing confidence and balance. And the mistake most men make is thinking they have to do more to keep her interested. More texting, more gifts, more attention. But in reality, less is more. Not less effort, but less desperation. A man who gives everything too quickly, is like a salesman who offers a discount before you even ask. It lowers the value, right? But when a man knows his worth, he doesn't give it all away at once. He lets her earn it, and that's what makes her chase. And yes, sometimes this means working away. If a woman is not reciprocating, if she's giving you crumbs of attention, and you're still chasing, you need to stop. Really step back, respect yourself enough, to say that I'm not going to beg for this. And that's very powerful, because when she sees you're willing to walk away, she realizes she could lose you. And that fear of losing you is often what triggers the chase. So let's put this all together. If you want a woman to chase you, stop idolizing her. Stop acting like she's your world. Build your own world and invite her into it. Keep your confidence, Set your boundaries and don't be afraid to lose her. Give her room to invest, to wander, to pursue, because attraction is not built when you give her everything. It's built when she feels she has to win you. And let me say yon last thing. You are not less of a man for wanting a woman to chase. It's natural to want to be desired. But way to create that desire is not to manipulate, not to play fake games. Udo live as a man who respects himself. Because when you respect yourself, when you don't idolize her, when you hold your ground, she will see your value. And when she sees your value, she will want to keep it. That's when the chase begins. So start today. Look at your life. Where are you putting women above yourself? Where are you utilizing instead of connecting? Where are you giving too much and receiving too little? Because, just keep that balance. Put yourself at the center and watch how the dynamic change, because the moment you stop chasing is the moment she starts. This is Anastasian Madurka Tips channel. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.